we will not be held responsible for any hearing impairments or damage caused to you from excessive exposure to this sound.
So what we're going to do, we're going to not use our hands, and we are going to put our nose into the marshmallows, and then we are going to try to pick up the cotton ball pieces, and we are going to try to put them into this empty plate. So
we gotta shake them off. You can't use your hands at all.
No, but you just try to see. We're going to each give each other 1 minute to do this, and
whoever gets the most of the cotton balls onto the plate wins.
Yes. And okay, Daisy is going first. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, start! Come on! It won't come off the plate.
It's not. Okay, I can't. It's not coming off the plate. It's too sticky.
Retry. Keep on trying. It's not gonna come off the plate. You have to try. Try. I'll hold the plate down.
This is causing me nothing but pain.
Okay, I can't.
Try.
There's no possible way. It won't come off the plate. It's sticky.
Just put it. Make the stickiness go on your nose. Oh, you have 30 minutes. You have 20 minutes. Seconds. Use the sticky to get the thing. Use the sticky off your nose already. Oh, you got one. Oh, you flung one down.
Huh?
Oh, you're out of time. Okay. So you have 0 on your plate. Let's try this one more time.
Wait, I gotta do that. I'm gonna go to the bathroom fast.
Okay, guys, so I am going to be doing the challenge now.
Well, don't take offense, but I've got a good mind to gouge both of your eyes out.
And we have to determine how many marshmallows we're going to try to get in there. Maybe, let's see. Hopefully. I'm going to pull my hair back one more time.
Have you really started?
Okay. Wait, okay, what time is it? Is it almost to us 1 whole minute? What time is it?
It doesn't say on here.
On the top.
Oh, it's 4:31.
Okay, wait till it gets to 5. Okay, guys, so I am starting when?
And
Wait till it gets to 51, and then you say 9, 8.
okay. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. You won. Yeah, you're doing good, Mallory.
What time is it?
You have 20 seconds.
I got it!
Come on, hurry. 10 seconds.
Count down.
1. Your time's up.
I don't know what that was. The nerve! What's he doing? Well, he better not do something like that again. I'll tear him a new one. Bollocks, just bollocks. Can't he keep his mouth shut instead? Sit down with a pint like the rest of us? It'll be a long night after that. Bullshit, mate. Pure nothing at all. Nothing at all. You do it better, you do. What? Where? What? How? Where? Why? I don't know. Can't say I know. Can't say that I do. What's he doing? What's that for? Blasted mongrel, I'll teach him. Put his lights out, aye.
Sticks and stones may break my bones, but nerds will never hurt me.
Okay, that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. And please comment for some other ones. And like and subscribe. And if you would like, you can feature our channel on your channel, and I might even use your channel on my Feature Friday. And then again, this is Mallory and Stacy. See you next time. Bye.